So welcome and welcome back, my beauty babes and my rich babes. Y'all, this is an unfinished apartment tour. So we're about to get y'all today. Finally, it is the 15th. So come in. So as you walk in, this is the for you area. And then you have your washer and dryer here. Where is the washer and dryer closet there? I'm stepping in. Turn off these lights because my light bill has already came in my name. And then as you walk in, this is the big dining area over here. And this is the living room area here. The kitchen, the bar. And then up here, y'all, we have stainless steel icebox, stainless steel and touchscreen dishwasher, everything touchscreen, marble countertops, microwave, everything just stainless steel, y'all. And then we have a pantry, pretty nice size pantry. So I'm putting the paperwork down because we officially in, y'all. We officially got these keys. So we got some wine racks over there. We got some wine racks up there. Y'all know your girl like your wine or whatever. It's hot. So I'm turning that up. It is a little hot. Put on auto. Down. Y'all, they come to change this because they have the circular touchscreen thermostat. So they coming this week to change that thermostat to put the new one out here. So as we walk down this little hallway right here, we have Maya's room, which is my daughter. So it's gonna be her and King room. All of them come with ceiling fans, nice views, y'all, windows, walk-in closets. So this is gonna be her and King closet, y'all. So y'all, and give a shout out to my nephew because he is here with me. He behind the camera, y'all. He gonna get on the camera soon. That's my baby. Miss him. And then we have Maya's bathroom. She has the granite countertops, garden tub over there. And she also has the closet, the towel closet. Hey. Period. My period, y'all already garden tub. And then when you walk down this hall, this is me. When you walk in, it's gonna be a hallway to my room. So y'all, only thing, before I show y'all, the only thing y'all sitting fin up here too, the only thing that I did not like is the fact that it's a bar, but not an Allen. Okay, that's a big no-no, but I like it. And then it does not have a shower or tub in my bathroom. It also have a shower in my bathroom, but that's cool, I'm okay. The area is nice and it's cool out here and it's quiet. So when you walk up in my bathroom, that has this nice, luxurious shower. And look at that shower head, y'all. Like, that shower head is amazing. Like, that's a big shower head. Then I also have the towel closet. And I have my granite towel, granite sinks, and all that looking good. Then I have this big walk-in closet here. Also, y'all know I love my clothes, my bags, my shoes. This is big, so this is turn that light out, girl. It's already on my light bill. Today's 15th. Okay, so what I like the most, y'all, is the washing dryer. We did that when we first came in. Oh yeah. So this is what I like the most. So the balcony. I have another wraparound balcony, y'all. It's so relaxing. So I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. When you first walk down here, you're gonna go all the way down here, turn down here, and that's our balcony. Yep. And you can see the park. Yeah. For the kitchen. Exactly. So basically, you guys.
And we can stop.
You can turn.
He goes like this.
So you guys, that was our unfinished house tour. There go my nephew, y'all. Look at him. He done grew up. He is so handsome, y'all. So that is our unfinished house tour, y'all. We about to get on the road. We about to go get the truck and everything so we can get it going because I'm tired. I took off for today. or whatever. As you can see, your girl up in regular shirt clothes, Fashion Nova shirt, you know, Fashion Nova tights, and your girl got on her vapes, period. Okay, so trying to get with a lightning in there. Okay, so we're about to get it going. Maya over there checking it out. That's new. It's new.
Oh no.
Oh, okay.
Oh, give me alcohol.
So we're about to go ahead and get it going, you guys. And this is gonna be the end of this vlog. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Period. Y'all say bye to the vlog. Well, yeah. Okay, you guys. So we about to go ahead and get the moving. I probably put a little clips out paying by moving, but I probably make that as another video because your girl is tired and I just picked up this camera and we're about to get it going. All right, my beauty baes / my rich baes, and bye. Y'all, I am super tired. I was gonna end a video like this, like that at the other house, but unfortunately, I told y'all I was gonna show y'all the moving process. Y'all can see my eyes are freaking red, and it's literally 1:46 a.m. in the morning, y'all, and we just got a little bit left. So if y'all look behind me, the living room area is clear. I gotta get those 2 mirrors. I don't want that. That's going to the trash. I get all my shoes. I already took half of them over there. These little few boxes. That's, everything is clear, y'all. I get my little nightstand, mood nightstand, and then, yeah, this is how I'm trying to turn on this light. Y'all know how this was packed up all the way to the ceiling. That's gone, y'all. And y'all, I'm super duper tired. So as we walk back here, my daughter's room is, her beds and everything is out up here. It is super clear in here. Just a few hangers left, but as we don't take wire hangers, it's gone, y'all. Carpet is clean. Bathroom, everything is gone up out of here. Turn these lights off until they turn. And then when you walk inside my room, my old room, as you can see, okay, as you can see, floor is clean, vacuum, go, bye view, bye view. Y'all look at that view, it's super cute, y'all. Bye view. Okay, yeah, so everything is gone up out of here, y'all. Everything's about the countertops, toilets, tub, closet is gone. Everything is gone. Y'all remember I had the dresses here still, and I still had those sports shirts and long sleeve shirts or something like that. Oh, and I had the winter coats and then the sports shirts up there. Everything gone up there. Still 2 wire hangers, but it's gone. Period. Yeah. So that's all we have to do is just get sounding a little new in here. Sounding a little new. Let's just get these 2 mirrors. And yeah, get that little stuff. It's about 1 more trip and we are heading to our new place, y'all. Yeah, we heading to our new place. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Your girl is tired and exhausted, y'all. Like I showed y'all now, it is 1:49 in the morning, 1:49 a.m. and I have to be at work at 5:50. So yeah, time. Oh, my nephew done came back, so
Good.
I don't know where he at. There you go, over there. Yes, I'm about to get this Yeah. So what we doing? So we gotta go put it on the truck. Y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, comment this in the video. We love you. My beauty braids / my rich braids. And we are at, what is that for? Oh, to hold the door. Okay, we are out. Bye.